He know how to act. Oh, man, well, shit. Yeah.
When are you gonna wrap up the park?
Man, they was telling me I'm trying to think of a good time now. I'm still thinking of Damn, y'all. Damn. Got the Z06 in the left lane. Damn. Ooh-wee. Boy, Rob, appreciate that, Rob, one time. I sure appreciate that. Damn. I was just fine looking for something to complain about. I ain't gonna do it now. Look out all the people that's watching on TikTok, y'all. We live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Damn. Yeah, damn, somebody was on the line. It was a big, I'm gonna be right here with you. Here we go, y'all. Big race. Damn, man.
Hey, look out! I told you! Go find Bucket Town! Go find Bucket Town! He's low! He needs some rocks out!
Damn!
He needs some rocks
Yeah.
He's scared to bang.
Yeah.
Tag banging. He don't want to play the head up.
Yeah,
I don't know why they didn't do a good
They ain't glue him down or something. Yeah, he was scared.
He wanted to get me.
Damn.
Put them in his ass.
Oh.
You know what? When I asked my partner, I said, let me get in. It was something about that. Who you got?
It might have been. It might have been. Hey, why they ain't let?
He didn't let me get in. He know I get mad about that bullshit.
Yeah.
That one didn't let me get in.
So you gonna ask him in a minute. You gonna have to ask.
It's a fucking setup. That bet don't never do I'm trying to get in.
Burn out. Yeah, to make sure that motherfucker off.
Yeah, he don't never do
one.
He don't never do that.
Hey, he did one burnout.
He did one burnout. He don't never do one burnout. He do 2 or 3 burnouts.
You should have been.
All right, bet. Running back. Golly. Look out. Huh? He did. He jumped out there good. He jumped out. He said it's a setup, y'all. He said it looked funny. Bucket Town said that looked funny to him, y'all. Oh shit, what the fuck? Right lane for the win. Goddamn, Rob just sent another 159. Man, what the? Hey, Rob, I do see you, man. I'm behind in the chat. I'm behind. I'm still trying to read everything. I'm still trying to catch up. But I'm finna catch up with you. I see. Hey, appreciate. What? Oh, they coming in? Okay. They come. Okay. They coming on in. Lil Diamond say she appreciate that. Lil Diamond say them friend requests coming in. Damn. I sure could. Huh? I got the race. I got it. Hey, that's what he said. I'm finna get, once I get a whole, woo-wee. Yeah, I'm ready to give out some stickers. Look out. I ain't, woo-wee. Hey, I appreciate that, Rob one time. Rob one time for the one time. God damn, Rob done act the goddamn fool. Let me catch up. Ooh-wee. He dry hopped the Lexus. EX350. Yeah, Rob just bought all the stickers. Rob, you want me to go on hand them out or still charging, man? I got some new stickers and stuff, man. I got the big ones and little ones, the medium size. I got about 4 different sizes, man. I got about, oh, Billy Hayes just became a member. Appreciate that, man. Ooh, that goddamn juice in that bitch is something. Damn. That's Omar Cook. Let me see. Look out, check the chat. I'm checking. See what I'm saying? Look out, don't read the chat. I am reading. Billy Hayes. Read chat, fool. I done read it. Let me see. Look out. Hey, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Let me see something. I'm trying to catch up. I got robbed one time. They say I'm a half hour behind in the chats.
Somebody in my chat said you got hooked up today finally.
Boy, they hooking my shit up.
Hook him up.
Okay, look out. He sent 3.
Let's go, dude.
I don't think I ain't never made that tonight.
You deserve 4. Where's that 4th one at?
This my boy. I ain't never made this much on live. Tonight my highest night. Tonight my highest night on live making money. Thanks to Rob one time, aka Souk Mike. He always do it. I think he held the record for the last one. He held the record for the last biggest donator. But he done acted a damn fool today. I ain't seen him in a whole long time. I miss him too.